If you've been looking for your first, second, or even 10th short-term rental, you're not gonna wanna miss this property. Welcome to 115 Fawn Road. It's a fully turnkey short-term rental located in Locust Lake Village. You're not gonna wanna miss this. So if you like what you saw, it doesn't end here. We are only a half a mile from Locust Lake. So in Locust Lake Village, there's 3 total lakes. You have tennis court, basketball court, a little soccer field, and it's just close proximity to everything that the Pocono Mountains has to offer. So if you want to learn more, you want to see the property in person, make sure you reach out. 267-808-0574.